Hello, gracious ones. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you're the best. So today I just want to do something based on popular demand. I started my channel, talked about sharing things that have to do with lifestyle and all. If you haven't watched my first video, you can watch it. I'll put the link somewhere so that you can watch, and then get yourself acquainted with what I'm doing with this channel. It took me a while to finally agree to say, okay, let me come up and do this, since it's still going to help people. And my channel is all about inspiring people, sharing my life experiences, not asking you to copy, but at least just something for you to make it easier for you to do something you want to do, which I might have done. So without wasting too much time on this intro, I just want to do an introduction that will make it clearer why I'm doing this. So I'm currently a student in the UK, and even though I've barely spent 5 months here, I've been able to explain the steps I took to 2 different families who are already here in the UK. One just came in last week, and so I'm like, okay, if I can do this for people just by sharing the tips and little tips of what I did, I could do it for more people, so why not? And that's what this channel is all about, helping people. So without wasting much time, I'm just going to tell you what I did and what I advise you do. But please, 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 I am no expert. I'm just sharing my own experience. If you're ready, I'm ready. So let's go right into it. Okay, so welcome. Today I just want to tell you, if you want to move to the UK with your family within 4 months, it's very possible to process within 4 months. This week, the week of 24th January 2022, most UK schools are resuming a new session, new semester, and what have you. But then you have some people who also take May, June intakes, apart from September. So it would be a good time if you want to come in to the UK with your family. If you want to come with your family, you can. And it would be a good time to start. And you can actually start now. And within the next 3 to 4 months, you can actually be in the UK. So the best thing to do if you really want to do that is to start looking for schools right away. Okay? It took me almost 4 or 5 months to actually prepare and get myself down to the UK. So it's possible. I have explained the steps to 2 families and they are here, so it is very possible. And so it's not something I'm saying because someone told me, something I have done, and it's something I have actually tried to share with others, and they try to replicate and they are able to do the same thing. So it's doable, it's achievable, it's a reality. So you can just check out schools. From my experience, I like to tell people to do their own research. I'll tell you what I know, but I also go ahead to say, please do your own research. And so I'm saying it now, please do your own research. But the thing you have to know is this. From my research, I found out that schools in Northeast England are like the more affordable ones. Doesn't mean it's a rule of thumb. No, you could find cheaper ones elsewhere. You could also look out for courses that have some scholarship opportunities. It could be government sponsoring the opportunity and the scholarship or what have you. That will also help to reduce the financial burden. Another tip I will give you, because I might just do some series on this. I don't like videos that are too long, and you end up missing the information I'm trying to drop. It doesn't make any sense to me. So I'm just going to talk about how you can start off. So first step if you want to move to the UK, first step is to research for schools that offer the course you want. And when you're choosing the courses you want, or the course you want, please look for a viable course, a course that is in demand, so that you're not just doing masters for doing sake. Of course, when you do masters, you want to make yourself more marketable. You want to make yourself more valuable. You want to increase your market value. So if you're going to do a course that will increase your market value, do a course that people will appreciate. Do a course that the world is looking for. Do a course that is in high demand. So that when you're done with the masters, you're not just spending money on the masters. You're done with the masters, you get a good job by the grace of God. Second thing is, look for, when you find the schools that offer those courses, look for the ones that offer the courses at more affordable price. Look for the ones that, if you're moving with your family, look for the ones that are in areas where it is safe to live with families. If you're trying to find affordable options, you don't have to limit yourself. You could do a wide search. You could even research and see cheapest schools in the UK. There are so many different ways you could search and find things you want. I would have recommended schools, but I said no. It's better you do your research so that you're sure of what you're doing. But yes, there are schools who have very flexible payment plans too for your school fees. So you could check some of those things when you're applying. So application is the very first step. Apply to a school. You could apply to more than one school. In fact, it's advisable to apply to as many schools as possible for the course you want to offer. And then when you get the admission, you can now decide which you want to pursue and then follow suit with that. Second thing you have to bear in mind is, when you get the admission, you have a timeline to pay a deposit. So you start to prepare yourself financially. You also have some amount of money you need to have in your account when you need to start processing for your visa. So finance is very important. But the key thing I want to let you know is that if you want to start, the very first step, because some people will call you and say, oh, so what do I do? Very first step, you need to apply to schools. Very first step. And don't just choose any course, please. Those two things are key in this video. I'm going to do subsequent videos, but I just want to tell you that if you really want to move in the UK in the next 4 months, 5 months, it's very possible. Start looking for schools that have May, June sessions. Or else you can also wait for September. It depends on your plan and your budget and the amount you have on ground. There are other things you need to do, but I don't want to complicate the video and drop too many information. So when you've applied, before you finish applying and getting the admission, I'm sure I'll drop more videos. But you can even specifically tell me what you really want in the comment section below, and I will try my best, my very best, to answer as much as I know. And I hope it will help someone. I really hope. If it's helped to families, I believe it could help more. And so that's what I'm putting out there. Do well to reach out to me if you have any questions. Drop them in the comment section. If you have any particular topic you want me to elaborate more on, drop it in the comment section, and I'll do my best, so help me God, to attend to it without spending extra time in this video. I just want you to do these 2 steps. Go online. It took me a while. It took me months to research, but it won't take me months to drop the next video. So research, do your research, so that this month, if you can apply before the end of January, awesome. Okay, and then we'll take it from there. I don't know if I should say this, but no, next video. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have yourself a gracious week, gracious month, and a gracious year.